I got a bit of wire in my arm from the wire brush when I was using it. But anyway, might be nothing, but he's just sticking out a little bit. So I thought I might pull him out with tweezers. So, where is he? There. So you can just see him sticking up like a hair. So, I'll turn these over. And where is he? Working backwards with the camera. Right, so we got him. Right off. Oh, got a bit of a lump at the bottom. I want to come out, but here we go. Look at that. Something behind it there. Anyway, back to work. It's only a little hole. That was good.